All right, Jacob, what are we doing in this truck?
Driving.
All right, cool. Where are we driving?
To my property.
All right. Is there anything special going on at your property?
There's a chainsaw bar stuck about 24 feet in the air from a failed attempt to down a limb that was too big for the chainsaw.
Well, that sounds exciting. What are we going to do about that?
I bought another bar and I'm going to go slice it up some more and try to break it. Forward. Go. Timber Creek is right over there. Wonder what the crap that was. There we go. Rather you not film this part because I might not start it. Okay. Good enough. Aha! We have a chainsaw bar. I'm gonna have to buy a two-person cross-cut saw to take the stump down. That thing's in trouble.
You need a hand?
Oh, never mind. This thing's done. The whole thing ripped apart. So the strap is garbage. Yeah. 25, 26. across the middle of the thing. Should be able to slice a couple of cool cross sections out of him, though. All right, let's pack up before the mosquitoes find us. Yeah, when I told Dad what I was up to, he said, you should probably have someone watching you. It's probably not safe walking up a ladder 20 feet into the air to saw a tree that's too big for the chainsaw you have.
I was tops 15 seconds from being able to help you if something went wrong, so.
These car beeps are getting out of control.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
I'm not a fan of any car beeps. For some reason, they put the fuse box directly under the seat. So you just pull all the fuses that activate the emergency beeps. So it never beeps at you.
Oh, that's exciting.
When the seatbelt's unplugged, doesn't know. When the door's open, doesn't know. When you're driving with the handbrake, doesn't care. I haven't checked my mailbox in a week.